In life, things keep on changing. Something we desire, something happens that we love, but something can be unpleasant. But still, we need to continue our journey. If things are beautiful on your side, enjoy the present, enjoy the moment, and if things are okay, if things are not so good, then think like you are not alone having this. Today I am painting a beautiful mountain. This mountain is called Mount Fishtail and it's part of Annapurna range. So I have already started painting. I have very simple sky, and for that I use blue color and a little bit of orange. Now I'm working on the mountain using palette knife. Palette knife is so much fun to use. I always want to learn something new, so nowadays whenever I am painting, I try to think like have some variation while making different marks. So these variations helps us to make our painting beautiful. For that, we can change the angle, use different pressure while applying the paint. If you are new to this video, my name is Ramkrishna Bhatta. So by doing this video, I never meant to show my perfection. I would love to show you my mistakes, share my mistakes as well, because mistakes are also part of our work. With that we can learn. For instance, if I learn one thing new in today's video, in today's painting, then that would be very helpful for me. So I try to keep my head open for that. I want to see what I am doing. If you are art lover, or if you want to learn painting, a student, or if you are an artist, thank you for being part of this video. I appreciate your time. You can also share your thoughts, share your feelings about my videos. I am consistently sharing videos every week, so suggest me some ideas, do comments, or if possible please subscribe, and that would mean a lot to me. So on the foreground I am painting a fewa lake which depicted some reflection of beautiful city and these mountains. This is a scenery from Pokhara. It is also known as one of the most beautiful cities in Nepal. And it's very famous as it's a gateway to Annapurna circuit. I love painting at night because during the daytime I need to go different places, meet some people and do my household works. So it's little bit of distraction to continue the painting, but at night I can solely focus on my work, and if I start painting then I can give much time to it without thinking about other stuff. What time do you like to paint? Which is your favorite time to paint? Or do you have any particular time that you love to paint? I'd love to hear that. I am using limited palette during this painting as well. And that is helping me to learn about the color more. I am learning more color mixing with this. I am not wanting to get the exact color, rather be satisfied with the color I get by my limited color palette. So you have watched this video up to now and tolerated my blah blah. So I really feel grateful, but this is necessary for me to grow up. Like I no more want to be congested and keep silent and to share my ideas. I want to share my process, so I am making this effort. If you like my effort, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and I have many more videos, so watch the so you can check my playlist. Friends, I will see you with another new video. Thank you for watching. Love and peace to all.